This is extra footage I have for Chancery Rosewood in London. So this is a really behind the scenes inside look. Not only are you going to learn a little bit more, but I'm also going to cover my favorite part of the hotel and show you some embarrassing bloopers that I typically don't show. But when I arrived at the hotel, it was raining. This is how great of a job the staff did to keep me dry.
Hi.
Good afternoon, how are you?
Good, how are you? Oh my goodness.
Please, welcome to the Chancery.
Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I have some bags in the back.
Absolutely
Do you
fine,
want
I
me
help
to,
you.
do you want
No,
me to
there's a
carry
hold
this?
for you, that's
oh,
fine.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome, thank you for coming. Let me take you to the lobby, okay?
Okay, I'll follow you carefully,
Please.
closely.
We take care of the luggage.
Because yeah, the work on this building has been, it's been 8 years in the making. We've extended. It just used to go to 5 floors, and now goes to 7. So they've built upwards, and backwards as well. So they've really
Upwards and backwards.
yeah. So they put a lot of effort into this.
Gosh.
It's really lovely, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is quite the hotel. For my first all-suite hotel, I think this is pretty amazing. Another thing I read was that the interior designer got inspiration from the Art Deco 1920s and the 60s.
Yes.
And because the building was built in the 60s?
1960, yeah, the original building, yes. Yeah, another thing, these panels here, the wooden panels, they took inspiration from the pinstripe suits on Savile Row. Savile Row is a tailoring area of London called Savile Row.
Oh my
and these are meant
gosh.
to represent pinstripes from sort of business suits, like London business suits.
I love
fun
that.
fact.
When you think about how this hotel is £1 billion, you see it in the details. And I just learned that even the lift system, the elevator system, cost £1 million alone. Just that, and that's just one aspect of this big hotel. So it adds up, doesn't it? You saw granite and exquisite stone everywhere you looked, on the door handles, walking up the stairs in the lobby, even in the bathrooms. Look at those countertops. When you go to the ambassador suite that we toured in the main video, even the drawers were covered in marble. So they were so heavy to pull out and push in. It gave it that extra level and feeling of quality. There are 3 different art pieces in the lobby when you come in by different artists. Each of the artists used inspiration from the building and the square and used the colors they saw not only in the square and the building, but also in the sunset and sunrises. And one of the artists used gravel and leaves and nature in the square to create the art piece. So they put it in the paint, and there is some of the area in that painting, which is so cool. This is me waking up at 5:45 to get some more facts and footage for you.
Fun facts. Have you got the chance to go upstairs to the Eagle Bar at all?
Yes.
Have you heard about our lovely eagle?
You took my fact.
But honestly,
That
the
was your
coolest fact that so it was made out of B-52 bomber planes. So during World War II, and I think it's just phenomenal the way how they created this lovely eagle, and the eagle is facing left means it's a war eagle, rather than right it would be a peace eagle.
Wait, what?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. So if it's facing which way?
If it's facing right, it's a peace eagle, but our
Right.
eagle is facing left, so
Peace
it's a war
eagle.
eagle.
So
And
it's a
also-
war eagle.
and
Oh.
also on his claws, he should have an arrow and an olive branch. But he only has his left claw. The right claw got taken away, meaning that this eagle is in constant war. We did not let go, so
No way. That's so cool. That is like kind of battle-like.
The architecture is really, really amazing here as well. It really is. Like the pillars over here, it's all got holes and scratches because it's the original pillars from 1960.
Oh, they have holes and scratches, so they're not even perfect. They look pretty perfect though.
Yeah, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And the architect Ira Saarinen for the U.S. Embassy, he had to enter like a competition to be able to be the architect for the building. And
Oh,
so
wow.
he spent his 3-week honeymoon just filling his sweet walls with drawings for the embassy.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Yeah, like you would never know these facts, even if you were staying here. And I've spoken to so many people that work here and have not heard these facts yet. So it's always fun meeting different people, but The New York Italian-American restaurant Carbone is now open, and lunch is coming soon. Right now, they're only serving dinner. They're an independent restaurant, so they're not part of the hotel, but they are in the same building, and it looks fabulous. Since the 18th century, this part of Mayfair has actually been tied to a lot of Americans. Even presidents have lived here. President John Adams lived here when he was the first United States minister. James Monroe, James Quincy Adams, Martin Van Buren, James Buchanan. Just got back from the spa and forgot to mention that the floors in the bathroom in the room are heated, and the soap is like the best smelling soap I've ever smelled. You can definitely see why this hotel is the talk of the year. And what you can't really get from the pictures is the grand size. Every room, restaurant area is so spacious. And with prime real estate in Mayfair, it's unbelievable that they created this iconic landmark. The spa had these water dispensers that had all these little buttons like carbonated, cold water, lukewarm water, and the amenities that they provided were also substantial. This is an ice bath, and it is 2 degrees Celsius. If you go in ice baths, you're just nuts. Every area is so special in this hotel, and it was so hard to choose. I've been thinking about it, but I noticed an area that I kept coming back to, and that's this Jacqueline restaurant. I just love every single detail of this restaurant in particular. And then you have this special magical afternoon tea experience that is one of a kind, and the staff are just lovely. Yeah, this restaurant. It's actually so funny because before I started pursuing this dream job of mine, I actually got certified to become a fire risk assessor. I know. Can you imagine me being a fire risk assessor? If this doesn't pay off, that's where I might be headed. And through the videos, I got to meet Dave, who actually sprayed a fireproofing coating on the walls in this hotel. So I'm gonna get out my lighter later and we're gonna have to test it out. I'm just kidding. Okay, in my room, notice the mirror? Well, that is actually a cabinet that I didn't notice until evening that stored booze and glasses. I actually don't even know what these are. I think they're tomatoes. Don't judge me. I just tried the mint mouthwash, and I'm pretty sure I could breathe mint fire right now. It does say strong mint. Okay, notice the brand of the car. This is so cool. This is my first Rolls-Royce trip.
Yeah?
Yeah. And he was too nice to correct me. And finally, here's me taking a year to pick up 1 protein ball. Thank you for watching. Watch this video next.